So I'm out at Mike's spot. We did a lot of ice fishing together this year, and we're out at his new camper location.
Hi, y'all.
And it's Memorial Day weekend, and Mike has some briskets on the smoker.
I've been slaving over this all day long. Okay, I've been at work all day long. My wife's been cooking this all day long.
So we're out here, guys. I'm more than likely going to be camped out here tonight. And there is a nice lake down there. We've got a pontoon boat if we want to go out and do some fishing. There's some good fish here. I did catch a master angler sized crappie out of this lake this ice season, this last ice season.
Right around the corner.
Right around the corner, yeah, right here. So we're going to be hanging out. We did a little work on the deck already since I've got here. We've been hanging some signs and doing stuff. He got moved over here recently and he's been working on the deck. I have done some videos here with Mike, but we were at a different camping location where his trailer was a few spots that way and off of the lake. But tonight we're gonna eat some good food. We're gonna have ourselves a few drinks, probably do some fishing, maybe go wander around. And overall, we are just going to have an amazing
Harambe.
We're gonna have ourselves an amazing Memorial Day weekend. Stay tuned, guys.
That's what you want to eat right there.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, yep. We're gonna spill that. We're
Okay,
gonna
fine.
take that.
Take a piece of foil.
You smell the meats, bud?
He does. What are you smelling, Harley?
Alright, ready?
What up, Sammy?
Bella's cooler.
Cabela's cooler, Quady.
Dang, that's a fancy cooler, boy.
That is pretty fancy.
All right, the meats
Resting.
are resting. All right,
You
guys.
want to sit back here, buddy?
You said no nuts to butts.
No nuts to butts. No nuts.
I'm gonna sit on the front here. We're gonna take a lap of the lot here and check out what's going on. Should have some handlebars. All right, let's hope I don't die. I gotta hold on.
Die.
I got extras with me.
You got the beautiful Platte River on your right side.
Yes, there's the Platte River, y'all.
You got a golf cart.
Oh. Traffic jam. Nebraska traffic jam.
Hey, hey.
It's fast. It's fast. Water everywhere.
Got one more group of friends. Should we go eat first? Opa! People, good people.
All right, guys.
Always good people around here.
Very good people here. We've stopped and talked to some folks. Yeah, I'm filming. We've stopped and talked to some folks. We took a shot, and we are gonna go back and we're gonna eat some meat, y'all. Beautiful spot here. All right. We're back at Mike's spot. We're gonna sit down and eat some food here really quick and hang out for a bit, and I'll get back to you guys in a minute.
What do you use for wood?
Apple and
Oh, you mix them?
93.3, The Wolf.
You don't. The problem is you don't come off the boat.
It's even. I don't know if this is like imitating art or what. There is a commercial.
That was awesome,
Hey,
Mike.
we're going fishing.
Thank
you. But I had nothing to do with it. I had nothing to do with it. I simply eat the food. I don't cook the food. Frank, you want to go fishing? Okay, let's go fishing, buddy. Frank wants to go fishing too. We're gonna take Frank fishing. Hello there, children. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Frank, you coming? All right, I think Frank got distracted by the kids. Get all the way to the bottom. All the way to the bottom.
Stranger?
Danger.
Who are you guys? I don't... Might have to jump on this boat here. We might get... Hit it. It doesn't matter. You snag it up, it doesn't matter. I want you to catch a big fish is what I want you to do.
Over to Josh's spot. And Jake wasn't very happy. The guy is so lucky. What kind of setup? Hey, I got a bass or something.
There we go. There we go, man.
Oh, that's a nice size bass.
Dude, are you kidding me right now? Oh.
Get her in here. Oh.
What?
Fail. About to take one to the eye if I ain't careful.
What kind of setup do you got on yours?
What is this? Oh, hey.
I got a heavy medium.
Little homie caught a fish. That's all we were worried about. Just a little bass guy, but
I rip a dart.
perfect fish. There we go.
Nice little fishy.
All
Let me
right.
get back over this.
See if we can catch something else.
Oh gosh. Let me get back over this. I'll get this reset back up here.
There's a big fucking stick right there. Ooh, I got a fish. I got a fish. I got a fish. You guys act like I don't know how. That is a good bass. Boom. Hey, hey.
That is a nice size bass.
It is.
Let's get that. Ow.
What are you using? A crankbait?
Lipless crank.
Lipless crank?
Yeah.
There we go. I got it. I got it. All right, guys.
What's up, pretty girl?
Probably a little like 1 pounder, 1.5 pounder. We catching some fish out here. We're gonna throw this guy back in the water.
There you go.
Bam. You got a fish? There you go.
Hey.
There you go.
Thanks, fucking
Nice gill. Nice gill.
dude. That's like
Off the jacked up snag. You got it. There you go.
Swallowed it.
There you go.
Oh, he swallowed it. He's leaking.
Yeah. Oh yeah. He's got it deep.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Is he dead?
No, he's living. He might be dead. He might be dead.
Oh. Clean it off.
yes, it is. Kind of sucks.
He tore that thing up a little bit. You got it. All right, you got it. I got a cold beer. I'm telling you,
See, somebody took your dry spot?
Did they really?
Yeah, watch.
Oh, they got loose camera. Oh, they gone. Oh, they back.
It's late. It's late now. I don't even know where we're going.
Yeah. It's my parking spot.
Mayor Poyer.
Me and Mike got our own parking spots over here.
How do I get out of here?
Open the door right here. I got your player.
Second Jigsaw has it.
Boop.
Your chair yet awaits, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You got to stretch your arms.
Oh, they're way over there now.
Crispy chicken!
Puppy!
They're following me.
Hey! I found the party.
Crazy, incredible. Don't know, but crazy. Are we Facebook Live?
No, we're on YouTube.
Well, y'all, I don't.
Where's my
You can't see me, but we're having a good time.
Well, good morning, guys. It's 9:30 in the morning. I don't honestly remember what time it was when I went to bed last night. It wasn't that late, I don't think, but it's been pretty quiet all morning. I'm surprised I'm not hearing more people out, but yeah, I just slept in a little parking lot here at Mike's. I I think it's probably about time to get up. So, yeah, had a good time last night. Just enjoyed the everybody's company. I didn't really do much filming at the end of it. Yeah. Yeah, it's probably time to get up, guys. Alright, we'll see what's going on up there at the old camper before we get out of here today, so stay tuned.
Of course, I'm an old hippie from the... I was born in the 50s.
Well, good morning, guys. Breakfast is served. Yeah, I'm gonna eat some breakfast. We're sitting out here by the lake watching, which aren't there, but there's some Orioles. Go down to the feeder over there. Mike's got his spotting scope on it. Yeah, we're just gonna eat some breakfast and enjoy the morning. Stay tuned, y'all. We're gonna see if we can catch some fish this morning. I don't even know. We put the John boat out last night with the light on it, and then I ended up just going to bed. So
I left it out there too.
yeah, it's still sitting there, lonely old boat. But we're gonna get some stuff rigged up, and we're gonna try to catch a fish. I'm gonna get you guys strapped onto the chest camera here. We'll see if we can catch something. All right, y'all. I switched it up and put a top water on because we've had a couple blow-ups. So see if this whopper plopper will do anything for us. There we go. There we go. That's a good one. There we go, y'all. That's a decent bass. Yeah, it's awesome to see topwater. That's my first topwater fish this year. He got a mouthful of them.
You played it perfectly.
All right, guys. Not a bad fish. Great to catch my first topwater fish of the year, but we're gonna let this guy go. That was sweet. You have a fish? Mike's hooked up. That seems decent. Bass?
Yeah. What's that white tail?
Is that a walleye?
That's a walleye, dude. That's a walleye. I ain't got no net either. That's a walleye.
That's wild.
That is a walleye.
Is that the first one you ever seen in here?
Yeah. I've never seen a walleye in these lakes. And I don't have a net. But you're going in for this guy. Walleye?
And that's a good size walleye.
Good walleye, dude.
I don't know I don't know what the difference between walleye and sauger is, but that's solid, dude.
Dude.
Let's hope there's a breeding pair in here.
Dude, I don't want to put them back, but I do.
I mean, that's good. That's good dinner right there. You got a little taco.
That's perfect size for dinner.
That's
Dude.
wild.
Let's hope there's a meat in there.
That
Nice.
is nice walleye. Let me look. Feel how thick that guy is.
Yeah, there's
That's
good.
a lot of meat
There's
on
good
there.
meat on that.
Oh my God.
Oh man.
Congrats, man. That's awesome.
Thank you. Wow, what do you think? 15, 16?
I got a tape measure. Don't jump off the boat.
I'll measure him down here, buddy.
I was trying to catch him.
Dude, I saw that white flare.
That's 17. And he is feisty. Yep. Oh yeah, every bit of 17.
17, just over 17. All right, he's going back.
Nice.
Dude.
That's sweet.
Dude.
That's sweet.
Dude,
That's the way to go, son. Leave it to you to catch the oddball.
Dude, I've been fishing this lake for 10 years. I've never seen a walleye in there. Never once.
I'm surprised.
Wow.
I mean, the flood did something good for you.
Yeah, right? There's not walleye in here.
Yeah.
That'd be nice. Let's hope there's 2 of them in here, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, if you got a breeding pair, that's great. What? Is that another walleye? Crappie? Drum?
It's a drum. So I take them too for cut bait.
There we go. I think they got cool colors to them. They're like silver and shiny. Yeah, they're cool fish. I mean, they taste good too.
Drum for you folks. Yeah, you know, I heard people eat the shit out of them.
I've eaten them. They were good. God, that was wild. Yeah. Are you serious?
No way. Yeah. I seen it. It was a
Mike is on again.
It was a long fish. That's a walleye.
Is it What the hell?
That's
dude?
another walleye, dude.
Wow.
Well, let's hope it's male female. That might be a sauger or something.
Or sauger. It looks like a sauger. That is too much, bro. That is too much. Did I just call it?
Yeah.
Did I not just say I want to fish this corner and get another one?
That's awesome. That is awesome.
I got my phone. Yeah, I want.
Yeah, you need some pictures.
They ain't gonna believe that, dude. That is just
Two
that's
in a
wild.
row
That's
is wild.
That is wild.
All right.
Pound it again, bro.
That's awesome.
I'm
All right, I was taking video of that hawk. He had just dive bombed and, you know, the hawk's out here fishing. And Mike hooks up with his second friggin' walleye out of here. And in the 10 years you've been here, you've never seen a walleye in this lake.
Not once.
So that's wild.
Any of the 4 lakes.
And we know that was 2 different fish, so let's hope those guys,
That was more like 12 inches.
let's hope they're banging.
Let's hope.
I mean,
Let's hope.
let's hope.
That'd be nice to get a pop.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna keep fishing. See if we can hook into We're gonna keep fishing, see if we can hook into anything else, guys. All right, guys, we're off the water. We caught a few fish. Awesome to see Mike hook up with those walleye.
Yeah.
It was a great night out here. We had a good time, and I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out, guys. It was a great Memorial Day weekend out here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks to Mike for inviting me to come on down.
It's always a pleasure, my
It was
brother.
great to meet your dad. So yeah, I'm just gonna close the video out, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit.
Peace.